Welcome to this beautiful 3-year-old Lancia-built home located in the Northwest Allen County School District. As you step inside, you're greeted by a foyer and a bright, airy living room with a cathedral ceiling. The perfect spot to relax with family and friends, this room is filled with natural light and offers a great space for entertaining. The open concept floor plan allows natural flow from the living room to the eat-in kitchen. The kitchen offers a full set of like-new appliances, an island breakfast bar with sink and dishwasher, and plenty of seating space for everyone. Off the breakfast nook is a sliding glass door opening to the back concrete patio. The master suite has a private bathroom and a walk-in closet. Set apart from the master, there are 2 additional bedrooms providing space for family, guests, or a home office. Additionally, there is a 2-car attached garage with pull-down attic access for additional storage. This is the ideal location just off of Coldwater Road, making it minutes from schools, hospitals, highways, walking trails, and many other amenities. Don't miss your chance to make this your own. Call Maggie Kelly to learn more.